Engines humming under restless feet, rhythms pulling forward steady and deep. Shadows growing as the daylight fades, moving onward through the path you've made. Every heartbeat keeps the tempo strong, rolling forward like a driving song. Nothing slowing down the steady climb, racing toward a place beyond the line. Into the tunnel, straight through the night, holding the vision, keeping it tight, moving with purpose, knowing the way, trusting emotion, carrying you today. Walls around you whisper soft and low, guiding you where you already know. Silence gathers as the pressure grows, yet the track beneath you always shows a sense of progress in the darkened space, a single moment, a chosen pace. Breathing deeply, feeling what's near, letting focus override the fear. Into the tunnel, straight through the night, holding the vision, keeping it tight, moving with purpose, knowing the way, trusting emotion, carrying the day. Every journey narrows before